Hi Carl, let me just show you how to create a dedicated page for each individual course. Okay, so what I've got open here is I've got all of our day courses, the back end page, and I've got the example of one. Now, just so you know, I've actually on the upcoming courses page, I've linked the first one here. So that's done just so we can have this as an active page. So the second one I want to do is we're going to do the 12th of December, and we're going to do the Slovakia one on the 12th of December. So first thing we do is if you go to edit page and duplicate this page as a draft, what it will do is it'll bring you back to this. If you just click on drafts, you'll see that this is the copied version of the Poland page that we have there. I'm just going to click on edit. I'm going to preview this page. Okay, so this is the edited page. I'm just going to preview this because what I want to do is I just want to copy this, right? So it's the youth page on the 12th of December in Slovakia. So the first thing we want to do is I want to create a page that is called this, and we publish that. So you'll see that the slug has changed, the URL has changed to exactly what we want there. So then when we go into edit it with Elementor, we've got this headline and we're going to replace that. Just put a little comment in there. That's all good. And then what we do is we click into this little shortcut. What this shortcut is telling us that they just want to show up at the moment the Poland page. So if we just do Slovakia here, oh sorry, you'll see the youth page here on the 12th of December. So if we just select that, that's the only one, the only event that will show on this page. So then if we publish that, and we hit the little preview icon, you'll see the page here and you'll see the course underneath it. Now what we want to do is we want to go back to the course page and the actual edited version of it. So we click on the book now, or the book course page, and then if we do type in Slovakia here, you'll see that that page shows up there. So it's the youth course page in Slovakia. So if we click on that and publish that, you'll see that it's actually refreshing on this page here. So I'm just going to open up this tab. I'm going to click the book course, and there's the course there. We'll just do we'll do one more. So let me just close these now so it's not confusing. So what I do is again I preview this page just purely so I can just copy the course name and the location. So we've got that now on the 18th of December. We've got the Cairo page. I actually think I have a page for the Cairo. Let me just double check that. So if we just go back here and we go into our pages, we do have one. Okay, so because we're going to create a duplicate version of this, it's just going to automatically put this slug as 2 after it. Let us do that because you're definitely going to run into this scenario as well. So I'm going to view this page, and just to go over it again, we're going to copy this. So it's an NCSC Phase 2 course in Cairo, Egypt. That's Phase 2. Okay, so it'll be a different URL because you'll see this is Phase 1. If we do have an NCSC Phase 1 course in Cairo, Egypt again, further down the line, all it will do is I'll put -1 after this. So it has just a different URL, but that's okay because that's really all we need to do anyway. But this one, what we're going to do is we're going to again copy this page as a draft. We're then going to go into drafts. This is the draft we want to use. We're going to edit this, and we're going to paste that. And as you can see, it's Phase 2. It's got everything that we want on it there. So if I just publish this, we've got our URL there, and we're going to edit with Elementor. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the title. And we're just going to go into here. We're going to delete that. And if we do Egypt, for example, sorry. What we're looking for is this one here, Phase 2, Egypt, December 18th. Click on that and click Publish. Just open it again just to give it a look. Make sure it's right. 18th of December, Phase 2 in Egypt. That's the one. So now if we go back to our course dates onto this page, this is the one we want. If we click on that, and then if we just type in Egypt here, you'll get our course, Phase 2 course page on that. So if I just select that, click Publish, and then preview the page, and we click on this book course. It's now the NCSC Phase 2 course, Cairo, Egypt, and this is the one that we want. Yeah, if there's anything else, you just let us know. If you need me to do another video, it's no problem. Yeah, so any questions, just let us know. Thanks, Carl. Bye bye.